Today we're going to be doing a tool review on the, I think it's called a Ilihome Endoscope. It's the first time I've opened this box, so the screen, I'm guessing this is the screen, yeah, because screen comes in a decent feeling thing, you know, it feels pretty good. It's got a USB. Sorry about the camera view, people. I'm gonna try to hook this up for you so you can see it. That feels kind of, I mean, it feels alright, I guess. I just gotta figure out how to turn it on. Guess the on button. There we go. It's not bad. The video quality is okay, I guess. It comes with a charging thing to charge this. It's already got 3/4 of a battery. And I'm guessing this is a stand for it. Yeah. Comes with the stand. And the cables are, you know, rigid, so I guess that's good in certain circumstances. And I think this controls the, yeah, it controls the brightness of the LEDs. And it comes with like a magnet, a hook, mirror, and a couple other little things, and the manual, yeah, and a thank you card. And I'm gonna, yeah, I don't like that. But let me see if I can figure out how to do like a, let me grab a part here. This is a piece of Ford transmission. Let me take these little zip tie things off. There's the bread ties. Take them off and maybe be able to use this thing a little better. Sorry, it's kind of a mess, but it'll be alright, just for what it is. But yeah, I think it was a 8-foot cord, or, you know, endoscope thing. And you can see that, like, when you bend it down, it stays that way. But let me turn the lights on and go fishing, I guess. But yeah, I mean, picture quality isn't terrible. You could definitely figure out, like, whatever your problem is. You can definitely be able to, you know, tell. And it won't go down that little hole, but you can see down there, which is cool. You can see the little check balls. And well, let me do this. It kind of messes with you if you shake it a lot. So if you can keep it really steady. Which I ain't gonna be able to do it now. It don't look that great on the on what I'm using to record, but on the actual unit, it actually looks good enough to tell, like, if you had a problem, you'd be able to see it for sure. Let me try out the little mirror and see if I can see back in that little hole. If I can open this package. It's even got, well, like I said, it's got that magnet, which is pretty, you know, good work. Let me get this mirror. It's got all this little snap thing. So, ooh, that's warm. That's pretty warm. Yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to see much with that. It's kind of... Yeah. Yeah, that mirror is... Yeah, I don't think that's any good. Let me try. Oh, there's a little film on it, I think. Yep. There we go. Oh yeah, that's much better. Like if you needed to look down like a 90 degree, it actually makes the video a little better. Let me see if I can find that hole. Yep, right there. Can't really see much in it, but yeah, it'll work. Let me try the... It's got a hook. I mean, overall, it gets the job done, and it was only, I think it was like $40. Let me drop this down in there. See if I can grab it. Yeah. I mean, if this is all you had, it would work to fish something out, but I ain't gonna get into that right now. It does, I mean, the whole reason I got this thing was to inspect the threads in a head, the spark plug threads for a Ford 5.42 valve, and I decided to just go ahead and take the heads off, so that's what I did. But I'll go ahead and grab one and just show you what I was gonna use it for. Just a second. So this is the Ford 5.4 head, and if I'm not mistaken, this is one of the center holes. Yeah, I think it's this one. Is the ones that was stripped out, because these motors are bad for that. Actually, I'm going to use the mirror to see if I can get a better image of that. Come on. And also, this could be used for like a lot of other things, especially working mechanical stuff. So let me put that so you can see it a little better. I mean, you can tell that there's threads there, but it's not like as good as an image as I thought. Come on. But you can, like I said, it's not like a perfect picture, but you can definitely tell if there's an issue. Like if you need to get a better tool or find some other way to look down there to see. Because if you will look, look at the size of that spark plug hole, and then look at the size of that spark plug hole. We put a AutoZone repair kit for that in, and it blew it right back out, and now I've got a mess. But yeah, overall, I mean, it's definitely going to come in handy whether the video quality is good or not, because I mean, you can clearly see, especially if you're not in a tight hole. But let's see if we can figure out the other things that it does. The up and down button, I don't know what that does. I guess I could read the instructions. But let's do, no, there's no card in there. But let's go through the settings. You got your photo, no files, and go back, and you got the resolution. I don't know if you can adjust that or not. Let's try that. See what the resolution looks like with the higher thing. You can get, like, sorry I keep coming out of the video. But yeah. I don't know why it's all wavy looking. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it is a little wavy. If you're about 2 inches away, it's got really good image, but like up close, man, it's not that great. But you got the brightness, the screen rotation, language, screensaver, formatting. I don't know what that is. Okay, it did something. And then reset system, time setting, storage, software version. Basically stuff that I'll never use, because it seems to be like plug and play. And like I said, the only thing I'm going to be using it for is just to get my eyeballs further into something I can't see without it. And but other than that, for $40, I mean, yeah, I think it's worth it. $40, and see what else I do. I gotta get a memory card for this thing. I'm sure I got one somewhere, but it'll definitely come in handy for around the shop, you know. And here's all the specs to it. I don't know if you can see all that. You can pause the video. And yeah, it's a model I-21, made by that Ilihome. I guess that's how you spell it or say it. Ilihome, I don't know. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I guess that's it. And I guess you turn it off with, just hold the OK button. And it's got the slot for a memory card and this charging thing, and it's already greasy for my hands. But it's a little smaller than I was expecting, to be honest with you, because the ad on eBay it made it look like it was like a small tablet, like, you know, at least that wide, and, you know, about that long. That's what it made it look like. But I mean, it is what it is. It'll get the job done. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for this tool review. If you don't care, just like and subscribe, because hopefully I'm going to be doing more tool videos. And if you guys have any questions about this endoscope, let me know and I'll test it out for whatever you need me to test it out. Just do, you know. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.